If you're searching for a powerful cordless vacuum that combines smart technology, strong suction, and pet-friendly cleaning features, the Shark IZ462H Pro cordless vacuum with Clean Sense IQ and odor neutralizer is a standout option. Designed for modern homes, this lightweight cordless vacuum automatically detects hidden dirt and increases suction power when needed, helping deliver deeper and more efficient cleaning on carpets, rugs, and hard floors. One of the biggest highlights is Shark's Clean Sense IQ technology. Using infrared sensors, the vacuum identifies dirt that may not be visible to the eye and automatically boosts performance in dirtier areas. This smart adjustment helps improve cleaning efficiency without requiring manual power changes during use. Many users appreciate this feature because it reduces repeated passes over the same area and provides a visual indication when floors are truly clean. The PowerFins Plus brush roll combines soft microfiber material with flexible cleaning fins, allowing it to capture fine dust, larger debris, and embedded dirt from carpets. It also performs well on hard flooring surfaces while minimizing hair tangles. Pet owners frequently choose this model because the self-cleaning brush roll helps prevent hair wrap and simplifies maintenance. Another feature that sets this vacuum apart is the odor neutralizer technology. Instead of simply collecting debris, it helps reduce unpleasant odors that can develop inside vacuum bins. This can be particularly useful in homes with pets, cooking odors, or heavy daily use. Many users report that their homes feel fresher after vacuuming compared to traditional cordless models. Performance is powered by Shark's HyperVelocity suction system, delivering strong cleaning capability in a relatively lightweight design. The vacuum includes multiple cleaning modes, including Eco mode for longer runtime, Boost mode for maximum power, and Clean Sense IQ mode for automatic adjustments. An LED display provides real-time battery status, suction settings, and cleaning information, making operation simple and intuitive. Battery life reaches up to 40 minutes under standard conditions, making it suitable for apartments, medium-sized homes, and regular maintenance cleaning. The removable battery design allows convenient charging anywhere in the home. HEPA filtration and anti-allergen sealing technology help capture dust, allergens, and pet dander, improving indoor air quality while cleaning. As a renewed product, buyers can often save significantly compared to the original retail price while still receiving the premium features that made the Shark IZ462H popular. However, because it is refurbished, battery condition and cosmetic appearance may vary depending on the seller. Checking warranty coverage and return policies before purchase is recommended.